Hi, I'm Matt with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at the start device on this Whirlpool freestanding ice maker. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools before you begin this repair. A flathead screwdriver. If you have a bad start device, you'll typically have no ice production because the compressor will not be running. When the compressor is trying to run, a lot of times you'll hear about a 3 or 4 second hum as the starting components are getting powered, and then you'll hear a click, which is the starting components cutting off on the overload. Usually if you take the starting components off, if they're bad, you can basically just shake them around. You can kind of feel the broken contacts in there. You can also test them with a meter. To begin this repair, we must access the back of the unit. To remove the back panel, we're going to extract the 5 1/4-inch screws holding the panel in place. Now we're just going to grasp the panel and pull down to pop the drain hose off. With your back panel removed, you now have access to the starting components. To remove the starting components, begin by disconnecting the Molex connector with a flat blade screwdriver. Release the tab and pull it off. Now take a flathead screwdriver up underneath your top clip here, pry up to release the clip. And pull it off the compressor pins. Now we can install our new starting components. There's 3 slots on the back of the starting components that correspond with the 3 pins on the compressor. Just basically slide it right on till it locks into place. And go ahead and reconnect your Molex. Now we can go ahead and put the back cover on. To reinstall the back panel, we're just going to start by putting the drain hose up through the opening. Make sure your power cord is in this gap and your water line is in this gap here. And we're just going to go ahead and reinstall the 5 1/4-inch screws. Now you can go ahead and reconnect to whatever drain line you have to your actual drain line on the ice maker. And that will complete the repair on the Whirlpool freestanding ice maker. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.